Work the first row and chain together for a stretchy foundation. So, foundation single crochet. We're going to begin with a slip knot first. And then chain 2. Insert back into the first stitch. So that loop and the bump at the back as well. So like that. Yarn over, pull yarn up. Now we're going to chain 1 first. So yarn over, pull through 1. And then yarn over, pull through 2 to make a single crochet. So that's the first single crochet. As you can see, it's worked into this loop. I'm going to insert back into that loop. And every time I insert my hook, I'm going to go through 2 loops from now on. Yarn over, pull yarn up. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 2. And that's the second single crochet. From here, I'm just going to repeat that. So insert your hook in this chain at the bottom in 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it up. Yarn over, pull through 1. Yarn over, pull through 2. And this is how you make a foundation single crochet.